Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to graph from standard form. My name is Harshal and this is graphing from standard form. So first we have our equation, which is y equals x squared minus 12x plus 32, which is in standard form. After this, we are going to have to turn it into either a vertex form equation or a factored form equation because you cannot graph from standard form. For this video's sake, I'm going to turn the equation into factored form because I feel like it's easier to graph from factored form. So here we go. So first we're going to have to turn this equation into factored form, and the factored form equation is y equals x minus 4 bracket y x minus 8. These are the two x-intercepts because when in factored form, you always get the two x-intercepts. So the two x-intercepts is negative 4 and 8, because when graphing parabolas, the negative is always up. The negative, when you subtract something from x, it always becomes a positive. So so now we are going to have to find the vertex. To find the vertex, we are going to need the axis of symmetry and the optimal value. So first we're going to find the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is solved through an equation which we need using the two x-intercepts. So the two x-intercepts are 4 and 8 as seen in so first we're going to add these two numbers together, which will get you 12. Then we'll divide it by 2, which is 6, and that will be the axis of symmetry. After that we're done. Now we're going to find the optimal value by subbing the x that we found into the whole equation, or the axis of symmetry. So we'll just be subbing that in, making the formula. So this is going to be the equation that we're going to work with after this to find the optimal value, which is y equals 6 squared minus 12 times 6 plus 32. So it's going to be y equals 36 because 6 to the power 2, and then you're going to subtract the 12 times 6, which is 72, and then add 32, which would give you negative 4, because 76 is bigger than 36 and plus 32. So after negative 4, we are going to graph the parabola because we have all the information for the vertex and for the x-intercept. So this is the first x-intercept, which is 4, and the second x-intercept is going to be 8. Oh, and by the way, whenever I don't put the values in for the graph, assume it's going by 1, because if I put in the values, it's going to block the view, so I did not. So I made it go by 1. So after we're done graphing the x-intercepts, we're going to graph the vertex, which is at negative 4, which is at negative 4 and 6, which is right there. After we are done that, we have a rough estimate of what the graph is going to look like, so we just graph it. So it's going to look like something like this. My bad, it's going to look like something like this. And this is what the graph looked like. So this is graphing parabola from standard form, and I'm out.